Okay, dear, good afternoon. Yesterday we have discussed about the agro-based industries that were agro-based industries, cotton textile industries, jute industries. We have discussed what are the major problem with the cotton textile industries, jute industries, why the jute industries is set up near the Hooghly rivers, why the agro industries, cotton textile industries as shifted from Maharashtra to Ahmedabad. We have discussed yesterday regarding the sugar industries, why sugar industry is shifting from the northern side to southern side in Maharashtra and Karnataka from BR and UP. So regions we have discussed yesterday. Now, dear student, another one information. From Monday onwards, class 1 to 8 exam will start, PT3. So during that time, classes will be off for 1 to 8 only, not for 9 to 12, 9 to 11. Not for 9 to 11 because to a class 12th unit test will be run from the Monday onwards, will be start from the Monday onwards. So classes will be off for only 1 to 8 and 12 till their exam will run till last exam of PT3 of 1 to 8. And from when your exam will start from the 12, whatever date given, so from your first exam of PT3 to till last exam 23rd December, your classes will be off. Teaching classes will be off. Why? Through this, you may be utilize your time for revision. Okay, that's why. This is the one information. Now today we will complete this chapter. Today we will discuss about the aluminum industry. You know, these industries are light industries, but when aluminum may be mixed up with the other product, when aluminum mix up with the other product, so it become a solid. It become a solid maybe, or maybe the it become a. It is the such light aluminum or such a light material which is the anti corrosion which the इसमें जंग नहीं लगता, and it is the contribute in our country the second most industries in our country. And today, from small pin to delay wire for automobiles to make the engine part to make the four-wheeler, two-wheeler tire like a yellow wheels, we use the aluminum. So this is the important industries for our country. And during the PT3 exam, your exam will be based on your Google form, and 50 question will be asked as a MCQ form, multiple choice question form. So you will try to learn, make a such question, contribution in GDP, it mix up with which material, what is the, where are it, industries are located. So try to learn the such questions, try to make your notes according to that. Through this, you maybe score the good marks. Another one industry is the chemical industry. In chemical industry, there is in our country there is the 3% GDP contribution of the chemical industry, and it is the third industries in Asia. Indian industry, chemical industry is the third industry in Asia, and 12 industries in the world, 12th position in the world, and third position in the Asia of our chemical industry. Chemicals are used in organic and inorganic material. It also use the like a petrochemical things. It also use the nitric acid, sulfuric acid, caustic soda, like it to make the different types of edible and such product which may be used by us like a food. And third one is the cement industries. It industries are playing the important role after the steel industries, because such industries are playing the raw material or providing the raw material for the infrastructures. In developing nations, infrastructure is playing the important role, like to make the national highway, express highways, four lanes. So cement industries is playing the important role. And let you know, in our Chittor there is the cement hub. There are 5 to 6 industries are located here. By using of the gypsum, by using of the limestone, cement produced through that, and such cement are supplied in the northern part, like most of in Haryana and in the Punjab, mostly in Haryana, like in Kurukshetra. Panipat. These are the main consumer of the cement industries, and cement industries is playing the important role. Another one in cement industries are there are the 128 large industries are in country, and 323 are the small size industries. Okay, dear student. So 128 are the large industries, 328 are the small size mini plants located inside our country. Next, another one industry is the automobile industries. Automobile industry is also playing the important role to make the auto part, to make the such material which are used by the different like auto parts or automobiles in two-wheeler, four-wheeler, in different commercial vehicles. Such are the automobile industries also. Another one industries. And next one, which is the important, all the industries run through the one that is the information technology. Information technology and information communication after liberalization, it is playing the important role. And in automobile industry, dear student, try to revise the earlier whatever notes I have provided. There are the 14 large unit of the car industry, 9 are the commercial, or 14 or 15 approximately of the two-wheeler companies. So these are the automobile industries mostly set up near the Gurgaon and Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, like. And another one, information communication. Dear student, today due to the liberalization, due to the FDI, foreign direct investment, there are many multinations company, there are different nations, they are working on the same project. When they work on the same project, so due to the different geographical conditions, suppose there is the day in our country or it may be night in other country, when two employees maybe work on the same common project, so it only there may be connect with the only communication and information. Okay, information technology, IT sector is playing the important role. During the daytime, when an Indian employee maybe work on the same project, they maybe leave their message where the another one is sleeping time is going on. So he or she maybe leave the message to the him, and when he get up and when a sleeping time will be start in India, so later on again he check the and he leave the such message. So through this IT sector only we able to work at the same time on a same and common project and same project. So this is possibility with possible that is through the information technology. That is the information technology. So mostly you know Bengaluru is the capital of the information technology. Mumbai supporting the Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, and surrounding area are the and Bangalore is also known as the such valleys for the Silicon Valley. Sorry, dear, Silicon Valley. Sometimes mind से slip हो जाता है. It is known as the Silicon Valley city. Okay. और another one world में जो Silicon Valley city बोला जाता है, that is the California. California also famous. We were studying class 8. Remind करो तो. Yes, और last topic and important topic in this chapter that is concerned with the pollution. After these are the different type of industries we have discussed. These are concerned with the development. But dear student, if we misuse, if we disturb environment, so it at the same time it will be harmful to us. It will be degrade our environment. So what is the balancing environment? And the simple concept earlier we were studying junior classes or in 6th, 7th classes. What is our natural system? Our plants take CO2 and release the oxygen, and oxygen will take by human beings and release the CO2. So that is the system, a cycle between the oxygen and CO2 between the human beings and plant. That is the balance. Okay, like I'm releasing the CO2, it will be consumed by plant to make a food or release the oxygen. It is a simple concept. You are in class 10. No such explanation is required. That is the balance of the different gases and environment. But nowadays, what we are doing by the human activity, by the exploiting resources, by polluting the environment, we are disturbing the such balance, and disturbance of the environmental balance, disturbance of the different rest of the gases, that is known as the environmental pollution. Simple, that is known as the environmental pollution. So through this, what is going on day by day, year, global warming is going on, temperature is increasing. When a temperature will be increased, so you know those maybe ice or glaciers maybe change into the water form, maybe such type of sea water level will be increased, and it is the also give the it is also responsible for the greenhouse effect. Another one, due to the when the industries are leaving the chlorofluorocarbon, so it will be degrade or maybe disturb the ozone layer, which protect to us from the where there are many harmful rays like ultra rays, beta rays, gamma rays, X-ray rays, which maybe comes on the surface if there will be no such ozone layer. Or you know what are you know very well about the X-rays. X-rays, when many times such rays we use in hospital for our bones X-rays. So dear student, X-rays may be purchased from our skin and take the pictures of our bones. तो think about that. अगर ऐसे एक्स रेज एवरी डे सन से ओजोन लेयर नहीं होती, डेली एक्स रेज आती है हमारे ऊपर, तो डेली हमारे एक्सरे होते हैं बॉडी के, किससे? सन के थ्रू डेली एक्सरे होते हैं। और कंटिन्यू एक्सरेज बॉडी को टच करने, और मे बी द व्हेन एक्सरेज मे बी कम्स ऑन आवर बॉडी, तो व्हाट आर द नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डेट? देयर विल बी स्मॉल होल्स ऑन आवर बोन्स, बोन्स के ऊपर छोटे छोटे होल हो जाएंगे। तो सच टाइप ऑफ पोल्यूशन, so we should be take care about the pollution. There are many industries here which are leaving their drainage, their wastage inside the rivers. It may be used by the human beings, by the animals. Like there are many industries which are polluting the sound pollutions, like due to the machines, due to their vibration. So it may be harmful for the such person are the heart patient. Sometime through the mining, it also dust will be comes in environment, or maybe it pollute the environment also. Air pollution, so different type of pollution may be done by the industries. So what are the solution? What are the degrades? We'll discuss. So, what are the solution for the such pollution? What are the measurement? How to we can protect our environment? So we can protect our environment through the different method, dear student. First method is, if we settle, if we as a such planning regarding the industries, well planned before to set up the industries, like regarding the safety, regarding the environmental degradation. So careful planning should be done before set up as a industry. Suppose any one industries are too much harmful for the public, so such industries should be set up away from the towns or cities. So well planning should be required. Well planning should be required to set up a industry. That is the first solution. Second, in place of the coal or such pollution resources, we should be try to use the oil as a resource for a fuel. Okay, dear. So it may be less polluted compared than the coal. Another one, in place of the conventional sources which are responsible for pollutions, in place of conventional sources which we are using from the earlier time, like a coal, like a petroleum. So in place of that conventional sources, we try to utilize the non-conventional sources like a solar wind, like a windmill, wind energy, like we drive geothermal, but it can't possible. It is not available everywhere. Everywhere geothermal, wind, tidal energy we can't use. Tidal energy we can use only coastal area. So in only there are two energy sources, wind and the solar. We should be try to use in place of try to use. Try to use means it's not a compulsion, but try to use. Suppose we can't run the factory through the windmill or through the solar energy, but domestic electricity supply should be through that. Suppose whatever colony we have set up for industry, so we can supply the electricity inside the colony through the, so through this we can save the resources now. So try to use the non-conventional sources in place of the conventional. Another one, modern equipment should be used. Those are the maybe decrease or the such pollutions. Modern equipment should be used like a such type of maybe filters should be used at the chimney, which is means the leave the less pollution smoke or like this, to try to use the latest one or modern equipment. Another one, before leaving the before discharging the wastage water inside the drainage, it should be purified in the plant inside the industries. It may be less harmful for the animals. When we will purify, we will remove the such wastage or maybe the polluted or maybe the poisonous material from the water. So before discharging the wastewater in drainage, this should be tried to purify daily. Okay, dear student. And landfilling methods should be used. Suppose when we want to waste the industrial product or maybe the wastage, so which should be filled inside the land or maybe it should be covered up. So through this, less pollution chances may be away from the towns. That is the main one. Last one and important, most of industries which are harmful for the public and which are maybe the chemical industries or for such industries which may be responsible for the poisonous gases or such, so such industries should be tried to locate far away from the towns and cities. Okay, so these are the chapter and main point we have discussed today, dear student. And tomorrow onwards, means the Monday onwards, we will start the political parties.